On this trip, Happy Trails Hiking explores Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Join us! With Lake Mead being so close to Las Vegas, we've made several trips in the last few years. Each time, we've tried to take something new in from different parts of the park. We have also seen just about as much of Hoover Dam as you possibly can, from the top, from inside, and from down below the dam on the Colorado River. On our most recent trip, we took a tour with Black Canyon Adventures down on the Colorado River. It was really neat to see the dam and the Tillman Bridge from this perspective. We even got some history on how each structure was built.
Those rocks that are still stacked up, like a retaining wall right there, directly to our right, that was a part of the support for their walkway. Of course, a lot of it has been covered by rocks that have fallen over the nearly a century. But they would walk down here, and if you'll notice the rock dead ahead of us, that's just jutting up out of the water. There's a stand on the top of it, and hanging on the right of it is a steel cart. Well, they'd get up on that, climb up on that rock, and then on that stand, and get in that cart because it used to be dangling from that overhead cable. And they'd pull themselves by hand out to the middle of the river, and they'd lower a flow meter into the river, and that would tell them how fast the water was moving.
You can find a link to the Black Canyon Adventures tours in the description below. A few years ago, we hiked the historic railroad trail. It has some really neat tunnels and artifacts from when the railroad used to run to Hoover Dam. So we started up here at the visitor center this morning for Lake Mead. We traveled down 95 and we're now at Cottonwood Cove. And we're gonna stick our feet in the water of Lake Mohave. Lake Mohave is at the southern end of Lake Mead National Recreation Area. The water is beautiful and cool in the hot summer sun. We really enjoyed our few hours with our feet in the water. Thanks so much for watching our exploration of Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Till next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Keep on trekking.